Hello, I is Pradnya Bormane, Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Engineering of AISSMS IoT. Welcome you all. Today we are going to discuss about IoT security. In previous sessions, we have discussed about what is Internet of Things. We have seen the building blocks and some of the concepts related to IoT. Now, we are going to discuss about what is the role of security in IoT and why we need to discuss about IoT security. So, what is IoT security? IoT security is the act of securing the Internet of Things devices and the networks they are connected to. It is given by the coordinate. We all know the Internet of Things technology has been widely adopted by vast majority of businesses and is influencing every aspect of the world. However, the nature of internet, communication, embedded OS, and backend resources make this IoT Internet of Things objects vulnerable to cyber attacks to the cyber attacks. So, if we consider in nowadays a scenario, there are more than 26.6 billion IoT devices which are active. This we are taken in the year of 2020, in the last year, and this is expected to grow. My baby by 2050 it may be more than 75 millions and so on. But here, the sensitive data, cloud technologies, and huge number of smart devices are connected via internet, which are providing a large attack surface for the cyber criminals. So here I have given you some of the two examples, real life examples of how the attack is done on the IoT devices. Okay, so one is related to healthcare and another is a jeep hack. Okay, the staged medical, which was implantable cardiac devices have the vulnerabilities. So, in healthcare or medical devices, if the hackers were able to gain the access, they could deplete the battery or administer the incorrect passing or shocks, or they can replicate the data, or they can change the data, medical data, right? So, if the healthcare practitioners were to act on that data, it could have a significant impact on the patient's treatment. It was fortunately, it was not happened, but that was a attack which was done on the IoT. Second, you can see here is on Jeep hack. We are all smart cars nowadays. So if the attackers or hackers take the total control of a Jeep or a car using vehicle's canvas. So by exploiting a firmware update vulnerability, they can hijack the vehicle over the Sprint cellular network and discover they could make it speed up, slow down, and even veer off the road. It is a proof of concept for emerging Internet of Things hack, which was given by IBM. The consequences can be disastrous. Another example, if we consider our real life, whatever happened, is household appliances. Is a botnet attack. So what is a botnet? Botnet is a form of malware that can infect the appliances and often go unnoticed by the owners, with having almost zero impact on the security. But if the hackers control a botnet, which silently hacked the thousands of large IoT household appliances. Can be air conditioner or water heaters or washing machines. And then cyber criminals could disable an entire power grid. So these are some of the actually what was happened on IoT devices, real life examples in the previous years. So what are the challenges in IoT security? I have listed some of the challenges here. One is a limited device resource, lack of standard regulation, applying security updates, scalability, connectivity, end-to-end security, lacks of expertise, security by design, which is not a top priority. So there are many ways to attack on IoT. So that can be attack over the entire IoT system by sensors or actuators. If we take an example, draining the battery of pacemakers. In communication, intercepting Bluetooth communication. Decision making or data integrity, modification of a message to modify smart craft behavior. Information privacy or smart toys exploit to eavesdrop on children. Some of the threats: physical attack, environmental attack, or software attacks. So the security must be addressed throughout the IoT life cycles. By saying this, we can see it should be throughout the IoT life cycle from the initial design to the services which are running. Means implementation of the security features should start during the device manufacturing. So the code signing at manufacturers can follow to ensure the device is not hacked or unwanted code is not inserted by these malicious users. The security requirements in IoT scenario we can say it can be including the confidentiality, integrity, availability, then authenticity, privacy, the main access control, trust management, secure storage, and some more. So we can conclude uh, from this that we have discussed the importance of a security in Internet of Things devices and when to develop the viable IoT solutions for that. Thank you.